A few days ago, I asked you a question.
Hey, figure one, what do you see right now?
What jobs are safe from robotics and AI?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Hundreds and hundreds of comments flooded in.
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
What you're watching right now is a demonstration of OpenAI's Figure 1.
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
And Figure 1 is not a concept. This is how it operates now.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
And Figure 1 just locked down its very first commercial contract with BMW.
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
So let me ask you again. In 20 years from now,
Of course.
what jobs do you think are safe from robotics and AI? Or does Doc Diaz have it right?